a step back out of the emotion because I was ranting a little bit just there and speaking from emotions, which is not the most productive thing to do. I calm down, take a breath, and let's take another look at this calmly with a stoic, observing mind and trying to keep opinions out of this. So when I look at this from this calmer perspective that I can put myself into, where I do not feel threatened about my job or anything, and just thinking about how is this going to affect the day-to-day of a DevOps engineer, you will see that it has a pretty profound effect. Because right now, when I am working for a client and there's an incident at work, all you get is there is a problem or the application is down. That is what you get. So the engineer's task is then to go in and to first take a look at, okay, well, the application is down. Why is it down and what went wrong? And that process already takes manual work. Like when I was in my first job as a junior DevOps engineer, this step literally meant SSHing into our servers because we didn't have any sort of mature observability going on. So you would literally go into the server and see if the container was still up. Now, things have improved since then, and I've worked in much more mature organizations where you actually have dashboards for this. So it becomes easier, but there's always the step of, oh, we don't know what's going on. Let's go and take a look. Now, what these agent tools are going to help with is to already have done that step for you. Okay, so an alert fires and that will trigger this AI agent that is going to pull in all of the context and depending on where it's running, etc. But it will already be able to do this first triaging step for you and giving you some recommendations of where to look next. Now, this honestly will have a very positive and big time-saving effect on the day-to-day reality of a DevOps engineer. It will be super useful because these AI agents, they are getting larger and larger context windows. And if it can literally see your entire cloud environment and it can pinpoint might be a networking issue or the container is up but it's not connecting to storage, something like that, that will already help a lot and you have a place to go. You have a place to start from. This can literally save 2 to 4 hours sometimes because what can happen as an engineer is that you start digging and you are looking in the complete different direction for where the problem actually is. It has happened multiple times where I was trying to troubleshoot something and I had an inkling that it was storage related, but then after half an hour, the 30-minute rule, I couldn't figure it out. So I called the help of another engineer who came in with a different perspective and then boom, we found it very quickly. So I do think that the agents are going to have a very positive impact in this initial phase of the incident. But then the next step is to actually resolve these incidents. And this is where DevOps